Hello, my name is Rick Brodzik, and I basically met Dr. Bruce at the Total Health Show in Canada, in Toronto, which is the largest health show in Canada. After I'd been to that show many times, and for some reason I knew that Bruce's work was the most interesting booth of any of the ones that I had looked at. My knee, when I walk longer distances or I exercise, it seems to just like give out a little bit. And what I've noticed since my hip surgery, my replacement, is that when I stand up straight, my right knee, the patella, it points to the right, it points out. It's not in alignment. And the second issue is about 4 years ago, I was doing yoga and this part of my thumb right here, it was quite painful. You know, there's certain postures that I didn't do. And just in the last 6 months, now it's starting to radiate out a bit, and I'm getting discomfort with moving my thumb. So that's the other issue that we're hoping to look at and get some work with today, and some good benefits. First thing I notice is that I'm standing up straighter.
Yeah, you're looking like you're straighter.
And a little looser in the pelvis area. I definitely am glad I came today. The pain in my thumb area and palm is, I'd say, 90% gone. I feel more balanced. I'm walking straighter, more loosening in my shoulders, more fluidity in my hip. And now my calves are almost normal, my legs, I walk fine, I have no pain, and I highly recommend the work. It's amazing stuff. So that's what I have to share.